2, 1, action!
Welcome to the most exciting film project we've ever undertaken at Bentley. This is Pimkhana, a Gymkhana film shot on Pim's Lane, the home of Bentley Motors. There are three things that make this film so exciting for us. Firstly, this, the most dynamic Continental in our history, the Supersports. Secondly, our amazing Bentley campus here in Crewe. And third, our secret weapon, Travis Pastrana.
Okay, so here we are. This is Travis's back cave. It's his base at Bentley. We've got his star car here, and we're doing a lights on sequence with all the lights illuminating the space. Loving it. We've got some absolutely amazing metal in here, and it's such a joy to shoot it. Currently being overlooked by actual Bentley board members in the corner there, so we're all on our best behaviour.
Just for me, seeing a handbrake in this car, I giggled like all night last night just thinking about that. Hydraulic handbrake, but it's got so much power. You don't need the handbrake too much, but it does help make it look a little cooler setting in the corners for sure. So should be an option on the car. I'm voting for that. The craftsmanship on everything, just the attention to detail. I mean, Mildred written into the handbrake, and the doors, like I'm used to slamming doors in all the cars that I have. This door, you just like gently close it, and the Bentley just brings it in nice and tight. Everything's sealed off. It's the quietest car inside the car that I've ever driven that drives like a race car. Here we go. I guess we'll learn on the fly. Pretty cool car though.
We're in. Wow. There you go, guys. Wow. Come on, people. First shot of the day, done.
We got everything going, having some fun. So warm these tires up and give her a good go on this one.
Welcome to Bentley HQ. Behind us we've got our pre-war heritage fleet, and we're going to be driving these guys down the road past Travis, and it's just a little nod to the history and heritage of Bentley. Beautiful.
It's been interesting today trying to do things un-Bentley-like, and yet still make some good footage. So it's been a challenging first day. I think tomorrow we have 10 sets of tires. 10 sets, yeah. So I think we've gone through one set today. My mission is to go through 9 tomorrow. So it should be fun day.
Okay, here we are, another amazing corner. We've just got our crew assembling now for a little safety briefing where we're going to talk through where Travis is going to be, where our camera crew can be, and how we can shoot it safely. Next door, in the warehouse next to us, is a top secret car. It's basically development, no phones, no photos. Cheers. Thanks, thank you. It's like herding cats here. It's such a massive space. We're trying to lock it all down. We've got people everywhere. It's like literally the worst nightmare. If I can have one more donut run, that'd be great. But I'll say to him, go sparing.
Should we go and do the exit shot first?
No, I'll just...
Yeah. Let's do that.
That's the key, isn't it? What I need to make the edit work is them coming out one more time here, cutting, and going through the closed door
just do another
on the other side.
Just do another one.
My kids weren't able to come out, and honestly, most of the car stuff they're not that interested in. They both drive a little, ride dirt bikes a little, but more into volleyball and cheer. Two young girls, and our dog, we call her Millie. Her name's Mildred. And when I said that this car was named Mildred, they all of a sudden were super pumped on everything and wanted pictures of the car. And we're comparing pictures of this car sliding and our dog, and she can jump really high. So like, did you put Millie in the air? I was like, we got her a little off the ground. Definitely lightweight and nimble for the Bentley, a lot like Millie at home.
So we've just done a bit of a slow-mo, we're doing playback, and it is unreal with these sparks. Love it, Travis, well done, mate. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Okay, so there we go. Cars are looking beautiful. Travis has done an amazing job. What a car. What a beautiful place. It's been amazing.